You want to know how to make your entire show play with one button? Well, it's as simple as this, my friend. Just go over, make yourself a new playlist. Go over the project window, grab your timelines, boom, boom, boom. Open up playlist options over here, and then we're going to trigger the play on an external source. We can use, I got an X keys over here, but just for the sake of this demonstration, you got, with the capture enabled, you can just press the button on your keyboard or whatever, and it will go right to the one you pressed. Alright, cool. P for please let this show go right. Then we just give it a tap. Splendid. Awesome. But wait, this is the modern age. We don't gotta go pressing buttons. That's insanity. We're just gonna let it do itself. So we're gonna go over here. We're gonna go make an event schedule. Tell it to do it on our own. So we're gonna go over here. We're gonna add an event and tell it to run a timeline. Which timeline? The first song. Play as the background. Cool. And it's gonna happen on today in a minute. We'll get to that later. I'm gonna bump up the time so it doesn't just happen while I'm showing you this. But you know, that's only gonna play this one. You're like, I don't know where you're going with this. How come, what are you talking about? Well, I'll show you what I'm talking about. We're gonna do a neat little trick and open this back up and then add an event track. We're gonna add that same type of event where right at the end it runs a timeline. The end of song 1, it runs song 2. And then wouldn't you know, over here we're going to do the same thing. You already know what's about to happen. Run timeline. And then I want it to run the next song. So now, save all those changes. I'm going to call my playlist The Songs, yo. So now, back in the event scheduler, it's going to run this song, and then at the end of it, it plays the next one, and then that one plays the next one. Let's test that out real fast. Show today. Oh yeah, edit. What time is it? 14. We'll set that to play 11:15 and 0 seconds. Okay, and it won't play while that's open, as you saw. Just give a little time here. How you guys doing? How's life? You doing great? That's wonderful. Should be starting any second now. I'm just gonna crack open a cold one and eat myself a plate of escargot. Highly recommended. Any minute now. Feel free to skip ahead. Feel free to paint some happy little trees. Oh, there it is. See, I don't gotta go pressing nothing. No buttons. No effort needed. That's the way it should be in the modern age. Have fun, folks.